Today I'll show you how you can easily build an air filter for your workshop yourself. We measure the inner size of the filter and cut a hole in the cardboard box. A handheld circular saw creates a lot of dust. We want to get it out of the air. The cardboard box from the saw is ideal for our project. Now we tape all the edges of the cardboard box. We secure the filter with small pieces of tape and then tape it completely airtight. Opposite, we attach the 120mm fan. I used a mains voltage fan, but PC fans also work. I put some wood inside and screwed it on. A little tip, next time I would install the fans on the inside. Now we seal the remaining edges. Later you can build something nicer, but for starters it serves its purpose and is quick to do. That's it. Have fun filtering. Bye and see you next time.